Hey guys and gals, sweet motorhomes here and RVs. I want to share this with you. As you see with this diesel pusher right here, multiple coolers in the front, CAC cooler for the turbocharger, and then the radiators in the very back. And I'm going to show you a really trick way to clean all this out. And we'll have all the tools and products and everything right in the show more of the video description. If you don't know where the show more is, let us know. We'll point you out. All right, now you can see it foaming up and cleaning it up good. Then we'll remove this one. We'll set it out of the way so we can really blow it through by using that method right there. All right, you can see all the nasty dirt bubbling right out of there, the grime. And we'll rinse this thing off, do it again. Okay, now what we'll do is take the electric power washer and blow that in further and then let it set another 15 minutes. We'll let that sit another 15 minutes and then we'll finish it out, and then we'll do it again tomorrow and the next day. Basically the intercooler now showing, you can see where it was cleaned along the edges and that the center wasn't cleaned because of the AC condenser. Well, you can remove the AC condenser very easily by unbolting it, and then of course the fan cooler's the bottom one laying there, that comes off as well. But we want to try to get through the intercooler, the CAC as they call it, to the radiator, which is right behind it. And I'll show you what I did. This is the cooler for your fan that runs the fan that blows through your radiator and everything here. You can see it's clean here, dirty there. Well, there's the radiator back there. So we want to get through this, and the tool that I use is the only one I know that will do it. But when you remove the AC condenser, you have to remove the black foam. You see the tubes going through up there and the black foam is missing? Well, we'll have a listing for that as well, so you can reseal that up and any other areas that need it. So let's do this and get it done. All right, all the safety equipment that you need to use, the face mask, the head cover, safety glasses, all that, will be in the listing as well, as with the tool that I'm using. Now the tool that I'm using sprays it in a mist so it doesn't damage any of the fins in any way, shape, or form, but it's the only way you'll get through to the radiator unless you go around the back side, which you can do that as well, but you'll just never get it as clean because what you're doing is blowing the dirt that's in the radiator back through everything in the front. So you want to go from the front to the back. Let's get busy. All right, we're done. You can see the dirt boiling out of there. And I hit it really good in the center, get back to that radiator. and I can see it dripping back there. I'll take a gander on the fan side and look back towards this side to see how much we got into the fan. Then you just rinse it really well for about 20 minutes after it sets for 15. You can't rinse it enough. You can see it boiling the dirt right out of there. This is the best cleaner you can buy right here. All right, here's the fan area. You can see that it worked and it's foaming up good. Where there's foam, there's dirt. You got to remember that. All right, now we are all done. Everything's cleaned up. We are going to put our black foam in here, reseal this up because we had to pull the AC condenser out of the way. And we're going to fill in any other cracks and crevices with black HVAC foam. And this, again, will be in the show more of the video description. So you want to make sure you look around, find any other holes, because once you use this, it's pretty much all done. There's no other use for it. You can't use the can again. So we're just going to start with a little bit at a time and fill it up. Hopefully you can see this. And the neat part about this is you can trim it down, paint it, whatever you want. And we're going to paint it all silver just to make it look better. And like I said, we're going to paint it like we did over here on this side. You can see that's painted. It's got some runs in it, but we're not real concerned about that.